Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Jayco Pinnacle, the 36 SSWS. So here's your front bay right here. This is where a generator would go if you're going to install one. We don't have one on this one. This is your through storage bay. You have a central vac system, goes all the way to the other side. Coming over here, this is about what it has on the exterior for special things. It's got a TV on it. So that's cool when you have the awning out and you're out in your camping site and you're all set up. You're gonna chill outside with the family. Hopefully it's a nicer day than today if you're gonna chill outside like that. Very stylistic coat hanger. It's like these pipe things. I like that. But that's your coat closet. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a glossy paint. It's not like this matte finish. It's like shiny. It just looks really nice. I don't see anybody doing that yet. So there's your control center. You got lights and stuff that you can control right there. You got a bay above there if you're gonna store more stuff. You always need to store stuff, huh? Bring in all the stuff. Got all this storage right here too. Little counter right here. It's got wall plugs if you want to hook up like a Keurig or coffee thing right there. Make that sort of your center. You could have all the Keurig cups or coffee stuff right there too, right above it. I like that area. So coming into more of your kitchen, you have this fridge. It's the gas and electric. It's double wide, so that's great. Fits everything. Fits everything. You got your cooktop, really awesome microwave, storage on the side right here for more stuff. Stuff. You got a wine rack up there. The cooktop is awesome. This is the Insignia. Everybody's getting really excited about these. Awesome burner space, and the oven fits a turkey. That's an awesome oven. You don't see that in RVs. You just don't. And then you have an undermounted stainless steel sink. It's the one big one right there, not the split one. The funny thing about the split or the one big one is there isn't a better. Lots of customers tell me they like split or they tell me they like the big one. And I don't know. So then you get the pantry right there. You'd be surprised at how many of these rigs don't have pantries at all. They're just... Well, you got to cut corners somewhere once you start getting smaller, huh? So here's your TV. It does go up and down, so it's a televator, which is really nice because when it goes down, you get this entire window behind it. So the button would be right here. There it goes. You get all that window space. Nice to put the TV away sometimes. Just gives a better vibe. Forces you to kind of just be in the room. Here's your seating area. So these ones do recline. They do have USB charges on them. The ends over here do have these little like flip ups so you can store stuff on the inside. You have storage above too for all your stuff. Always getting storage for stuff. You have these little wall plug things. It's like a tube that comes up. This is an extension for your table. You get the storage below it. You do get 2 more chairs with this. We just have them stored somewhere. I just noticed this I didn't point out a while ago is you got the shock right here. So what that's going to do is that's going to make it to where your steps, when you lift your steps, the shock takes all the weight for you. So they're not heavy. So some of them have the same steps, but no shock, and they're kind of heavy. Get a window right here. It kind of opens things up as you get up into this tighter area, which I like. Now I'm going to show you this bathroom is really cool. So you get your toilet right here. They did the same pipe sort of stylistic method for your toilet paper roll. Get all your cabinetry right down there. Your top porcelain sink thing. That looks so cool to me. You get this whole mirror right there. I'm having a bad hair day. And then in the shower, this is like the same size as my house. Actually, I kind of prefer this one because mine is ugly. You get this whole entire shower stuff. I mean, you get these shoot out water. This shoots out water. This shoots out water, and you can do this separately. So nice. This is like a wall. I've never seen a rig do that yet. So it's kind of nice to have your shower have like this wall and then the glass here. It just feels nice. It feels, I don't know how you say, like different, creative, I would say. This is where your washer and dryers would go. So that's one. Here's the other. Now as you can see above, this little cupboard goes all the way through to the other side. This is all storage you could use as well. So come on back here. This is your bedroom. So one thing that's very cool is you have a slide out right here. Very big slide. If you follow this piece of trim, it's going to go all the way back there, all the way past the bedroom door and out there. That's how big this slide is. So all of this pushes outside. So that gives you all the room in your bedroom and partially in your hallway, some storage. But if you notice, we got another piece of trim right here. That's showing how big this slide is, the second slide. So if you picture, I'll word it like this. The whole wall comes out, and then your mattress itself goes out even further. So this is a double slide rig. So because of that, you have all of this room that you would not have otherwise. So you can actually change your outfit here and like move. So a lot of space in here. It's really unique to see like a couch in the front with a window. Not everybody does that. They're doing like closets there and stuff. And it's just really refreshing to see Jayco doing different things. Different is important sometimes. Different can be better. This is your closet. You have dressers, stuff all the way down there. 2 cabinets right on the sides. This right here on both sides. You get a little mirror right here if you want to see that. You get your TV right here. Perfectly fits everything. And a fireplace right here. This is an emergency exit if you want to jump out to your doom on the top floor. And, oh, I didn't even notice this until just now. You have little dressers below the couch as well. That's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that before. Awesome. Well, guys, this was the Jayco Pinnacle. And if you have any questions, you can call me, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.